Hey everyone, welcome back to Decoding AI, Episode 1, in this podcast where we break down the tech that's quietly taking over your life.
Today we're kicking off a series that a lot of you asked for, AI agents, what they are, how they work, and why everyone from startups to Fortune 500 companies suddenly can't stop talking about it.
Okay, so I hear AI agent thrown around everywhere now. Is it just a fancy word for chatbot?
That's exactly where I want to start, because that confusion is honestly the biggest myth out there right now.
So what actually is an AI agent?
Think of a chatbot, like ChatGPT, in its simplest form. You ask a question, it gives you an answer. One input, one output. It's reactive. It doesn't do anything in the real world.
Right, it's basically just talking.
Exactly. An AI agent is different because it can perceive, decide, and act on its own across multiple steps to achieve a goal. So instead of just answering what's the weather in Delhi, an agent could actually go check a weather API, compare it to your calendar, realize you have an outdoor event, and then draft you a reminder to carry an umbrella, all without you asking for each individual step.
So it's less answering machine and more like a digital employee?
That's a great way to put it. The industry usually breaks it into three core pieces. 1, the brain, which is the large language model doing the reasoning. 2, memory, so it can remember context and past actions. And 3, tools, which let it actually take action, browsing the web, calling APIs, running code, sending emails.
So the LLM alone is just the brain in a jar. It needs hands and eyes.
Exactly. Hands, eyes, and a notebook. Tools are the hands, inputs are the eyes, and memory is the notebook it keeps referring back to.
The agent loop. Walk me through how this actually happens, step by step.
Most agents run on a loop, sometimes called the react pattern, short for reason plus act. It goes observe, think, act, observe again, think again, act again, until the goal is done.
So it's not one shot. It's more like a conversation the agent has with itself?
Exactly. Say you ask an agent to find me the cheapest flight to Mumbai next weekend and add it to my calendar. It thinks, I need flight data. That's reasoning. It calls a flight search tool. That's action. It looks at the results. New observation. Then it reasons again. This one's cheapest, but let me check baggage rules. It keeps looping until the task is genuinely complete.
Is that fast? Minutes? Hours?
Depends on complexity. Simple agents finish in seconds, but there's a whole category now, long horizon agents, that run for hours or even days on a single task. Coding agents are a great example.
Where you're already seeing this, give me some real examples people would recognize.
Coding agents are probably the most mature right now. Reading a code base, writing features, running tests, fixing bugs with minimal supervision. Customer support agents that don't just answer FAQs but can issue a refund. Research agents that read dozens of sources and compile a report. Personal assistant agents managing your email and calendar.
So anywhere there's a repetitive, multi-step task that used to need a human to click through 5 tabs.
That's the sweet spot, exactly.
If this is so powerful, why isn't every company replacing entire teams?
Agents fail in specific ways. They can hallucinate a fact and then confidently act on it. They can get stuck in loops. They can misuse a tool, delete the wrong file, email the wrong person. And unlike a chatbot mistake, an agent's mistake can cause real-world damage because it's taking actions, not just generating text.
So the more autonomy you give it, the bigger the blast radius if something goes wrong.
Exactly. That's why human-in-the-loop checkpoints are still common in production systems today.
So today was what an agent is, how the loop works, and why it's different from a chatbot.
Next time, we go deeper into memory and planning, how agents remember things long-term and break big goals into smaller tasks.
This has been Decoding AI. See you next time. Thank you.